What's up, everybody? It's your girl Lavina coming back to you with another video. This is part 2 of my batch videos. You know, like I told y'all on the previous videos, I wanted to make some videos in case we lose power and edit them and get them all scheduled and everything for you guys. And plus, you know, I want to make my content because I don't know what's going to happen. Okay. All right, just one moment, y'all. Let me shut the door. You know, Jaden, it seemed like he get louder and louder when I'm on the when I'm taping. Like he's like, what's up with that? Hold on. Okay, y'all. Your girl back. So let's go ahead and get into Will's. We're gonna do a little something in Will's binder, okay? Will actually gave me a few dollars he had in his wallet left, and hey, we both want to be on board with this. Well, we can do what we can do, okay? So he gave me 20, but I don't know how much this is. You know, I had to take me a little something off. Hold on. So okay, so we got 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Okay? Got 1, 5, and the rest ones. This is Will's binder. So today, y'all, we're gonna be putting $5 in Willie Will emergency fund. I think by the time this video load, you guys, we'll be in full hurricane mode. Okay, so just continue to keep us in your prayers. You know, if I'm able to, I will definitely update y'all. If I got some, you know, if I'm here, I'm gonna try my best to post something and say, hey, I'm still alive. Hey, I'm still alive. You know what I mean? I'm a reach out some type of way. Okay. Any of y'all know Morse code? No, I'm just trying to make light of the situation. It's not funny at all, but hey, low key I'm scared, so I'm kind of just all over the place with it. But you know, thank y'all understand your girl, y'all understand me, and I know y'all love and care about me, so y'all ain't gonna judge me too harshly. Okay, and so in savings he gonna get $5 too. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Every little bit counts, y'all. And to all the people that be in my messages telling me y'all starting all over too, welcome back. Welcome back, baby. Welcome back. Stick and stay. We can do this one day at a time, you know? And when the bills come and when finances, like now, I'm just coming back and now here come a hurricane, honey. So I don't know what that's going to mean for the future, for the money that I do have in my binders. Like I stressed and I told y'all on my live, you know, Lord, please let this hurricane pass my house. Because I really don't want to have to, you know, take everything out of my binders, which is not much. But for survival reasons, your girl definitely will. But I'm just saying, Lord, please pass my house with this hurricane. Protect my house and let this hurricane pass me. I don't want it to go to nobody else's house either. But I'm just saying, pass my house, Lord. Okay? All right. And Christmas is going to get 5. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yep, y'all, it's so nerve-wracking. I know this one neighbor got their house boarded up, but I don't see nobody else with boards. So today we're not going to give anything to transportation, health, or birthday, okay, or vacation. It is what it is. I'm just going to put money in them too for him. Okay, and we're going to do a little bit on my savings challenge. We're going to stuff a little something onto that. And today is 10/08/24. We're gonna just do this $2 for the win. It's coming along. Hopefully we can finish it in 12 days. So 6, 7, 8, 6, 8, 2. Oh, wait. Yeah, I think we'll finish that in 2 days. I mean, not 2 days, within 12 days, y'all. My energy level seem off. Whoo, child. Y'all gonna get this dry like toast video today because your girl got a lot on her mind. We don't want to do green because we already did that. Let's put some, let me see. I got so many colors thanks to my subscribers. They hooked your girl up. Somebody always hooking up Lavina. And I appreciate the hookups. Is this gonna go? Yeah, we're gonna do this yellow. Y'all don't forget to check out that little Portum app. They do not sponsor me or anything like that, but it is a referral program that all of us can get some money. And it is a good thing, man, because I didn't even notice that I had that thing still on. And I looked and I happened to turn it on, y'all. It was $80-something in there. So, hey, I was like right on time. It just take money out your account. They don't go overboard. It would never be that. It'd be like if you got 100, they might take $3. You know what I mean? That's if you in a position where, and they don't take none. Like if you don't got no money in there, they don't overdraft your account or nothing like that. So you won't have to worry about that. They just penny pinch off, and then you also can do stocks like the S&P. You know, you can have some of it going in there, or they can take money out to invest for you. I like the little app. It used to be called they changed companies. I forgot the name of it. It was called I forgot. I'll figure it out and I'll tell y'all. I'll probably post it in the video or something like that. So we got Daquan. We got a case of dog food. He already got, that's the dry food. He already got his big bag of dog food, but we mixed it. So yeah. So he's straight. And that's just what it is, y'all. And you know what? Just like the other video, because it's, you know, my mind is not all there to make a bunch of different videos, okay? So we're going to go ahead and knock out the low priority too. I wanted to do a little something in this binder, y'all. So we're going to just make 2 videos instead of 4. Okay, so this is my low priority binder. And, you know, we're going to be cash stuffing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, $6. Yay! The $6. Yes, honey. God is good. You better know it, baby. You better know it. So rent and housing won't be getting nothing. Oh, wait. Yes, it will. So rent and housing, and you know, I don't even really want to put nothing in here. Because I'm like, we're not going to do that. We'll come back to it. Car not getting nothing. Wi-Fi will get 1, 2. Yeah. Those 2 not getting anything. I want to take them out of here. But I don't, because I want to get a month ahead. Like when I get out the hole. So I'm just not going to worry about that right now. Water is going to get $2. I know that looked kind of weird what I just did, having to recount the money. But I had all the intentions in the world, y'all, of making separate videos. So, electric is going to get, let's see, electric will be getting $1. And Jaden will have his videos coming up. He expecting some money. I just found out today. So, let's see. Insurance. No, Daquan, he gonna get $1. And we're gonna start his challenge over again as well. As soon as I can, y'all. So you guys, that's it for this cash stuffing video. Like I said, today, this video post The hurricane should be here, you know what I mean? So y'all just keep me and my family in y'all prayers. And again, you know, everybody stay safe, everybody stay blessed. And thank you guys for all the love and support that you showed me and have shown me over time. You guys have a great day or evening, and see you guys later on the next video. Bye.